Hi, what I have here is a Pioneer SA800 stereo amplifier. It was built in 1972. I found this thing in the garbage dump, and as you can see, a lot of little chrome covers on the knobs are gone. Took a little deoxin to it, cleaned the controls, and this thing came back to life. A little closer look at the front, and this thing offers quite a bit for a nice small little amplifier. It's even got a switch for moving coil, moving magnet cartridge. There, around back here, this little transformer that we'll plug in here, it's to help boost the moving coil cartridge. It's got phono hookup one here. I have no idea what those are for. Moving coil and moving magnet. Phono plug in there. This thing came with this little thing for the speakers, but I had no plugs for them. So I hooked this up so I can have speakers. And it's got a little switch back here for separating or connecting the preamp to the main amp. And here's the look at the inside. It's the top side. Right there's the main amp. Nothing too big and hefty. That there is the control amp. And these right here, it's the tone controls. Can't say I've ever seen anything quite like those. So here's the bottom of this amplifier. Right there we got the power supply. And that's the filter board. And there's the preamp for the phono. And that's the protection unit right there. I'm not too sure what the output of this thing should be. This is Hi-Fi Engine. They got 19 watts per channel. It's the service manual. And right here they got 26 watts per channel. So you go down here, find the input for the auxiliary. Right there is at 230 millivolts. So I got a couple of voltmeters hooked up here. Got them hooked up to my dummy loads, one to each of them. Got my scope set up here. Function generator. And this voltmeter is hooked up to the function generator. So I got it set at 230 millivolts. That's what I'm putting in. So turn the unit on. And turn the volume up. Right here is the volume up all the way. It's clipping a little bit. So I'll turn it down just a little bit till it stops clipping. And right here I got about 15.7 and 15.9 volts on my output. So do Watt's law a little bit. At 16 volts square divided by 8, you come up with 32 watts. So obviously that's the output of this thing. So right now I got the function generator hooked up, so I'll put out square wave. Turn up the volume a little bit. And the square wave looks good. Bass does everything you expect it to, as does the treble. And here's the loudness. Loudness off, loudness on. Now this amp is part of my test bench. I ran all the wires out. Got extension for turntable. A couple here that I labeled for the tape player. One for auxiliary. And the main end and preamp out. What if I want to test a cassette player or this reverb? All you gotta do is plug them in. I'm all set up. Thanks for watching the video.